Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the necessary tools to build applications and write code in Java. So you're going to need to download two pieces of software on your system. The first one is an installer called JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And as the name says, it's a development environment where you can build applications and components in Java. So open up your browser and type in JDK download. Then go to this link that says Java Downloads Oracle. Scroll down until you see these links that are there for you to download. Then depending on the system that you are on, you want to download an x64 package. I'm on a Mac, so I would download the x64 DMG installer. If you're on a Windows, you can download the x64 installer here. And if you're on a Linux, you can download the x64 installer here. So depending on the system that you're on, go ahead and click on a link to download the JDK. Once you click on the link and the download is finished, double click on it, open the installer, and click through all the steps. They will give you a bunch of steps and terms and conditions to click through and accept, and you can just click through it until you see the button Install. Once you click through everything, go ahead and click on Install. The computer might ask you for your computer's password, but that's just for security reasons, so you can enter it. Now, once you're done downloading the JDK, you can download the next piece of software, which is IntelliJ. IntelliJ is the platform where we're going to write, debug, and run all of our code in Java. There are many popular code editors for Java, but the one that we're going to be using is IntelliJ. So go ahead and Google IntelliJ download. Then go to this link that says Download IntelliJ IDEA and click on this button here that says Download IntelliJ. Don't click on the blue one because it's a paid version. You want to click on this black one right here. So go ahead, click on download, and let your computer download IntelliJ. Once your computer is finished downloading IntelliJ, double click on it, open it, and then drag IntelliJ into the applications folder. Once you're done putting IntelliJ in your applications folder, you're done downloading all the pieces of software that you're going to need in this course.